Should I play you guys my font? Hold on. Oh, it's right there.
Did you start?
I think so. Someone's saying hi already. Hello, True Blues. Welcome in. Hello. Hi. Hello.
Oh, Christ.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Jesus.
Oh!
No?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
Let me adjust.
Hello.
I'm fine.
Hey guys. Oh, good Wi-Fi here, eh? Hello, 小影. Hello, 大王. 早晨好，早晨。安安。早晨。Mano Cone Zero. Imagine.
BMW Deck 1208 just subscribed. Kaching Wave, hope you are having fun.
Thank you, BMW Tech. Hello, Double. Hello, Bib. Hello, Ocean. Hello, Bong. Thank you so much for the sub. BMW 5 months. Thank you, Ocean.
Ocean Panda 9 just subscribed.
Thank you.
Kachin gets
so
stupid.
much.
Kachin gets stupid. Kachin PFFT. Kachin PFFT. Kachin PFFT. Kachin heart. Kachin heart.
Thank you, Ocean, for the tier 2 sub for 8 months. You're just better, eh? Dude, thank you so much for the subs. Wait. Dude, are you okay?
I'm okay.
Okay.
I just dropped.
Where's our drink?
Trashy?
Trash?
I'm
Right
good,
there. Okay. Dude, we just got home from the jazz bar.
Jazzy bar. Very
Very cute bar.
Y'all ever had?
That's super good. French ketchup chips. So good.
You bringing like 3 back or fam?
Yeah. I bought.
Boom! Okay, we
By
need to
Pingback
look up.
just subscribed.
What?
I'm just reminding myself I shouldn't be yelling.
Okay. Hello, babe. Oh my god, thank you so much for the subscribe. Thank you. 7 months. Thank you. We're level 2 hype train. My bowl. Hello, Bong. Hello, Muffin. Hi. Dude, these are so good. So good. We got 1 bag. It was so good. And then we got 4 more bags in Paris. Bro. Relax. Oh, they actually have glass here. This Airbnb has glass. Cause like I was so concerned with getting a beer. I was like, I don't like it from a can. Oh, thank you, Mano. Oh my gosh, thank you, Mano, for the hype train. Woo! Thank you, thank you. What time is it in the US? 3 p.m.
Oh, I need to respond to my mom.
How was your day, Mano? Woo!
My mom asked me how my day was like hours ago, and I just forgot.
You know, I'm so concerned because like I only want to drink beer from a glass. It's not good from a can. This is my dinner, yes. Hey Ocean, hello. Hey Bong Beers, welcome back. It's been a while, eh? Sam can be dirty. Hello Wolf. Okay, if it's the AA, we can just kind of
What is dirty?
the glass. I'll just use
Whatever. We're dirty. Fuck you.
I'll just use like this what is this? Fucking 100-degree water to rinse it. That's what I usually do. Bro, I love Amsterdam.
Don't boil yourself.
Okay, it's boiling. Boil myself?
Jam jam.
Did you guys know I got a new selfie stick that I'm using right now?
Whoa. What is it on?
What? Oh!
No good.
Oh, so new stick.
Hey.
Here. No, right here.
Oh.
You sleep at this time, Bong? 3 p.m.?
We got neighbors upstairs.
Hello, Overbite. Hi, Mr. J. Hello, Stu. Ohayou gozaimasu. Some Japanese guy stopped me at the train station today. And he was like, "Nihonjin desu ka? Are you Japanese?" No. No. Oh, we did. We stopped at like a little grocery store. We got water, beer, and there was a cat there. And we just like pet the cat. So cute.
Old kitty.
Dude, when we got in there, yeah, she's 10. Her name is Monica. When we got in there, she was staring at the floor.
She was sleepy as hell.
Yeah. And then we just pet her.
Sweetie. Well, kitties are so sweetie. There's a
Yeah.
glass window door so we can see.
Yeah. It's 7 a.m. for you, Bong. Where are you? Again.
That's just the shower.
How's
Toilet
Amsterdam?
is-
Amsterdam is amazing. Oh my gosh. It's like ideal Seattle kind of because it was like raining today. I think our Airbnb owner lives upstairs, so let's be quiet.
We're fine
Okay.
to talk just now.
Okay. Hello, Yongin. Hello, Zlopik.
Okay, is she boiled?
Hello, Star. Wait. Let me do it, okay?
Okay.
Wait.
Dishes stream. How would I just hold it?
Oh, okay, thank you. There.
Real Hong Kong style.
Yeah.
I already drank out of that one.
Really?
Yeah. Freaking nasty.
Really hot.
Yeah.
This is extra hot. Okay.
Okay, we should let it cool down before we put cool beer in there. Don't want to shatter the ice. I mean,
I put it in the fridge.
this too.
Okay, yes.
Where are you going, Taurus?
I'm gonna pee. Can you mute, please?
She's done peeing, guys. Late August sounds amazing. We are not high. We are just drunky. We had Amsterdam Mule. What was mine? Dark and smoky. Lots of ginger beer based. Yeah, so we went to the Netherlands, then to France, and then to the Netherlands because Amsterdam is really expensive for housing. Yeah. Anybody else travel to Europe and get crazy allergies? Me and Chook have just been sneezing hella crazy. Like, she doesn't normally have allergies, but like I feel like she's getting allergies here.
A bit.
Like, we're just not used to the plants here, I'm guessing.
Hello.
Hello. I bought some Allegra because it was real nasty.
Wait, what?
Real freaking nasty.
Allegra. You're going to Amsterdam late August for what? You booked already? Nice. I love Amsterdam.
Get some AC
I
in
love
case there's a
Amsterdam so
heat
much.
wave.
Posture check from Profan.
If I posture check
I
so
don't.
much,
Can
the
you
lighting's
speak
bad.
English? English. What?
Look, if I do posture check, look at my hair. Fuck that.
What? You can just like be closer and stand up straight like me. Look. Hey, speak English, please. Hello, A10. Yes, so we went to Rotterdam, Paris, back to Amsterdam for the plane back home.
Yeah, because we wanted to see Amsterdam.
Yeah.
Just very expensive for...
Yeah, we wanted to stay in Amsterdam, but then it's the most pricey place.
For like hotels or Airbnbs.
Yeah, for hotels. So we stayed in Paris more.
Yeah.
It's
Which
a lot
I think was
cheaper.
worth it.
I think it's like half cheaper.
Yeah.
Yeah. Half the
And Paris
price.
hella fucking pricey.
Amsterdam is like the most expensive European place. One of them. Absolutely.
Are these temporary ones?
Yes. Just for fun. I'm wearing like I'm wearing these hotel.
I was like, I haven't seen these ones before.
Yeah. Cause my parents made me pack them, so I just like kind of wore them on our last
Make use.
place. Yeah.
Make use.
这是以前的同学们，安安 Jackson， 这是对我community college 在那个Seattle 认识的朋友。
No protest. We haven't seen any.
Hello, Phil.
Valerie?
You booked already? Oh my gosh.
Hell yeah, that's better, you know? Better pricey.
Yeah. Amsterdam's so great. You gotta come to that jazz bar we went today.
Jazz bars are so the vibe.
Dude, okay, Taurus, just look up jazz bar and go with your girlfriend. Are you coming with your girlfriend? Jazz bar! I love jazz bar. Live performance. Yes. How do we get back here? Train?
4 hour, almost 4 hours. Wait.
What the hell is foot gloves? Yeah, almost 4 hours today.
She slept the whole time.
I slept for 4 hours on the train the entire time.
Do you want to pour it?
Oh, okay, okay.
I feel like you're...
What does that mean?
Good at... You do this.
Oh,
I don't
thank
do
you.
this.
Okay.
Heineken.
I love Heineken. We had Heineken.
Yeah. I thought you were going to French it, and then I got a flashback.
Dude,
the funny thing is...
beer goes so well with Dutch food. I think. We had Dutch dinner today.
Yeah.
Yeah. Goes so well with beer. And the Dutch made one of the best beers ever.
I like Modelo.
You like what?
You
Cheers.
like Modelo?
I don't know.
You've never had Modelo?
I don't think so. Cheers, Jack.
I like Mexican beer. Mexican beer is good.
Maybe once and I don't remember it.
Boo.
I know.
Boo.
Boo. Hello, Foul. Jazz bar, dude. You got in the plane with those? Oh, yeah, yeah. Some people wear these on the plane, you know?
Some people go barefoot on the plane. Fucking,
Ew, what
yeah.
the fuck?
Or even
They're
just
crazy.
their socks. Like, I'm like,
That's crazy.
Going to the bathroom with their socks on, I'm like, yeah, go step in that piss, baby.
That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. That's... I can never.
We did not get stolen from in
Oh, yeah.
Paris.
No one was close to us in Paris.
Oh.
Let's play some music.
Not too loud.
Okay. What music you want? K-pop? Yes, I think so.
You want? You can do. I don't even know where my phone's at, to be honest.
Okay. You go with your girlfriend, Taurus, to London, Paris, Amsterdam, back to London. Great spots. Paris is so romantic.
Bruh.
Oh!
Taras
Oh my
Ike has
God.
gifted 10 subs to viewers.
Thank you! Oh my God. Thank you! Oh my God, thank you, Taurus.
God damn, where's my phone at, though?
Here. We have to meet in Hong Kong with Miso, your dog, your girlfriend. Yes, we have to. before you leave, maybe. And then I can show you all the spots in Paris. So romantic.
We're gonna
there.
watch the new Esper. Hi, okay.
They have.
I want to watch.
Okay, okay.
I'll first
Please
do.
do, yeah. I'm down. Dude, I love Europe so much. I love Paris. I love Amsterdam. I think I'll be back. I kind of want to live in Amsterdam for like
A wee bit.
the hot summer in Hong Kong. I come here to escape the heat because it's really cold today. Are we at TwitchCon? Yes, we went to TwitchCon. Hello, Mr. J. Your favorite beers from Belgium? I want to go to Belgium too.
Oh, we passed by Antwerp and Brussels. And I love seeing the buildings there on the train.
I want to go.
Did you see the chateau?
Hello, Mr.
Hello.
Rebottle tipped $1. Hello, cutie C.
Where are you from, Mr. Bottle?
What chateau?
Chateau?
Did you see the chateau?
Rate the trip? No. What?
Oh.
Oh, you're Mr. Bottle. You always tip me.
Oh, you want to tell why you couldn't post on Patreon?
Oh, yeah. When do I come back? The 10th. She has the same energy as me. Yes. We're the same, I think. Italy is the best place to visit. I agree. I think next time, you and your girlfriend can go to Italy. Just Italy. You know?
It's making me remember that one worker that we went to, and she's like, "Why are you guys traveling here?"
Oh, yeah.
She obviously did not like, just not
We
like where she
were
lives.
in The Hague, third biggest city in the Netherlands, and then the cashier girl was like, "Why are you guys here? You guys should go to Spain."
I was like, "Oh, she does not like where she lives."
Yeah, no.
She was like, "I hate it here." That was the energy. I was like, "Okay."
When is the hot summer in Hong Kong?
Now.
Dimijin. May to October, super hot. 100 degrees every day. 30 degrees Celsius every day. It's like a castle? Oh no, I don't think we went. Your Likey got banned? Ocean, why? Oh yeah, I couldn't post on Patreon or Likey because I was posting the art pieces from an architectural museum we went to. I really liked them, those pieces. And they didn't let me post probably because of copyright. So I posted them on my Instagram stories. And I posted like no copyright photos on Patreon.
Den Haag has its problems, but like, I don't know, visiting from like the States, it's still such a good city.
Does Lord get drunk and bark? Dude, we were at the jazz bar and she was like ready to bark.
We were barking on the way home.
Yeah, we did. She was like, "I want to bark."
Yeah, I said I want to bark, but I wasn't gonna do it in there. Because literally there was like musicians playing.
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
like, I'm not about
So
to
many
start
people in there.
fucking barking.
So Spain is amazing, like the islands. I want to go to Spain, yes. We met a Spanish girl today. She was the bouncer at the jazz club. She's Chinese, but born in Spain.
Adopted by a Spanish.
Yeah.
Andrea.
Yeah, Andrea.
Hottie.
She was very cutie. She recommended us to go to a place up north Spain.
Yeah, and I already had it saved, which was funny as fuck.
Yeah, like we made her search it up on her phone, but she already has that place saved.
I am crazy with my Google Maps.
Yeah, she has like many good places saved.
My Iceland's kind of crazy.
Wait, where is this?
Iceland?
What the fuck?
I've never gone, but like
Iceland.
Oh, that doesn't show. Oh yeah. Let's show Seattle. That's the real fucking
Place.
hot pot.
Whoa, what the heck? Dude, that's not normal. Yeah, she always takes me to the best places in Washington.
Oh, they changed how the icons look, actually.
No. That's like all of the places she saved.
It just makes the map kind of not look like a map anymore.
She takes me to the best places.
Washington. I have places. Look. I have some funny places.
Taiwan?
There's like a cat village.
Whoa. Soy milk. She loves soy milk.
She went by a
佢好中意飲豆漿，我都好中意飲其實。What language is likey? Korean. There's a Korean platform. What is her ad?
Don't be posted, but I want to post.
Is it this one?
Yeah.
Okay. That's her ad.
I'm gonna start posting again. I just haven't in a while.
Okay.
This is forced.
You're from Iceland? Snappy?
Really?
Wow.
Really? Where? Oh. I'm Icelandic, but I'm also British. But I only look British.
Half Icelandic, half British.
But like,
super British looking woman.
everybody's like, oh yeah, you're British.
Iceland is beautiful, yes. We really want to go. Like, we are gonna go.
Why do I have this saved? Why do I have this saved? Is this something?
That's my home. She has my Hong Kong home address saved.
Sorry.
You went to Seattle years ago, Muffin, but you loved it. I feel like one only loves Seattle when they lived there. Yeah. Like, you love it there more when you live there.
Look at him.
What the fuck? There's a bug in our sink. But yes, I love Seattle so much. Actually, our plan for the next 2 years is next year we're gonna meet up in Tokyo and then go to Changchun, which is my grandparents' house, northeastern China, pretty close to each other. And then next year, I will go to her house in Seattle with my dog to meet her new dog. That's our plan. Her new dog, Mina.
We are at the point of our trip where we're just missing our dogs. Like, we close our eyes, like, we're like, wow, beautiful attraction, and we close our eyes, and our dog's face is just going.
Yeah. Oh, Bip was asking for bouncer ad. Oh, go to the bar to find out. Hello, Navaja.
Oh, she was so cute, though. Like, we thought she was North Chinese, because she was kind of tall.
Yeah.
But she's like, what is it?
Jiangxi. Yeah, Jiangxi. She's from Jiangxi. So, I still have my grandparents, yes. My dad's side, my grandparents from my dad's side still healthy.
Alive.
Yeah, they're swimming every day until their 70s.
Do they have like a swimming pool they go to?
Like a hotel indoor pool.
Yeah, okay.
They go to
I was imagining for some reason they were like in the river.
Yeah. Oh yeah, my grandma actually, when she visited Hong Kong, like 10 years ago, she swam out the ocean so far. They made an announcement to ask her to come back.
Please don't kill yourself.
Yeah, they're super swimmers. My
Have
grandpa
your dog traveled on a plane before? He has. He went from Santa Barbara
to Hong Kong.
Hong Kong, COVID.
Yeah.
Remember him
4 years
getting
ago.
through
What? Oh yeah.
That was funny.
Yeah.
Hello, Venom. Sorry.
Oh my God, Phenom! Hello. Welcome back. You saved the
Basically,
streak.
Miso had to be quarantined. That's what I was talking.
She did have. He did have to.
We were like, so the jazz bar in Paris, everybody was dancing there. Here, not so much. We were like the only bitches going
dancing. Yeah.
Just
Hello, more treats. Stay safe in Amsterdam. Thank you. You'll never be back here. Why not? But yeah, I'm very excited to meet my grandparents in October. I'm gonna meet them for my grandma's 80th birthday. Oh, it's gonna be in Sanya, by the way. It's not gonna be in Changchun.
Okay.
So I don't think you can go.
Yeah.
Because it's further and like smaller space.
Okay.
Yeah.